أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is this? This is Alif. What is this? Alif. Alif will be read easily, not too long and not too short. Because some people are saying Alif or Alif, it will be wrong. Okay, it's simple. Alif. 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 Simple. What is this? Alif. Alif will be read easily, not long and not too short. Like not with breast stop. Okay, not too long and not with breast stop. Okay, simple. Next, this is the ba. What is this? The ba shape is look like bowl and one dot down. When you see that shape which has one dot down and the shape is look like bowl also, so it will be ba. Okay, ba spelling is B-A-A. Ba, and ba will be long for 2 seconds. Ba. Okay. Again from beginning. Alif. What is this? Number one. Alif. What is this? This is Alif. Next, what is this? Ba. And next one? Ta. And next one is this one. What is this? Look at there. Ba. I told you one dot down for ba. Okay. Next, two dot up for ta. Ta spelling is T-A-A. Ta. Also, we will long it for 2 seconds. Why? You see the reason. Okay. There it is in this page which has two A's at the end. We will long it for 2 seconds. Just like ba. Also, we long ba for 2 seconds because ba has two A's also, so we long ba for 2 seconds like ba, and we long ta for 2 seconds also ta. And now look at there. So this is the same shape, look like bowl, and three dot up. Okay, three dot up. It is sa. Sa. Sa will be read softly, like you put the tip of tongue between the teeth and then say sa. What is this? Sa. Okay, remember. Sa will be also long for 2 seconds. Why? Because Sa has two A's in the name. Okay. So remember. So we read about four letters. Alif. Alif we read easily. Alif. Simple. Ba. Ba will be long for 2 seconds because it has two A's. Next. Ta. Ta will be long for 2 seconds because it has also two A's. Next. Sa. Sa will be also long for 2 seconds because it has also two A's, but it will be softly, like don't don't say sa. This is not sa. This is softly sa. Sa. Okay. Next. What is this? This is the shape is look like a bird and one dot in the middle. So it will be what? It is Jeem. What is it? Jeem. Jeem. And it has also a red sign which is known as mud sign. This one is mud sign. Okay. Now you tell me how much you will long it for, because it don't has two A's. Okay, so we will long it for 5 seconds. Why? Because it has mud sign. It is the red sign, name is mud sign. That sign coming to long that sound for 5 seconds. Okay, so we will long the Jeem sound for 5 seconds, like Jeem. Okay, now keep in mind. Now please read one more time. Alif. Ba. Ta. Sa. Jeem. Okay. So now we do practice now. So we read the line number first, like from Alif to Jeem in the previous page, which has name. Okay. Which, so now there is no name available in this page. Now you try. What is this? This is, I told you in the last. Okay, the shape it just look like a bird and one dot in middle. It is what? Jeem. What is this? Jeem. We will long it for 5 seconds. Okay, next, what is this? This is sa. will be long for 2 seconds. And also read softly. I told you, you put the tip of tongue between the teeth, okay? Same shape, look like vowel, 3 dot ups, okay? 3 dot up shape is vowel, so it is sa, softly. Sa. Next, what is this? The shape is like vowel and 2 dot up. It is ta. Very good. The shape is look like vowel 1 dot down. It is very important. It is ba. And what is this? This is alif. What is this? This is alif. Okay, remember now. So now we already read about the first line of the alphabets. Okay, like alif, ba, ta, sa, jeem. So with this first lesson, we will read only one kalima. Okay, this is the first kalima, which is tayyib. Okay, first kalima name is tayyib. Tayyib mean pure or purity. Okay, so we read now. La ilaha. Follow me. La ilaha illallahu Muhammadur Rasulullah. Again, La ilaha illallahu Muhammadur Rasulullah. Okay, beta, you will try to practice this lesson. You watch this video 3 times at least, and if you have any question, you can comment or you can ask me anytime. Okay, you can practice at home now. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allah Hafiz.